Dear student, welcome. Good morning, all of you. In this video, you will be seeing 6.3 and 6.4. First question: find the value of unknown x in the following diagram. So here we will be apply that sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. That first part diagram you can see that sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So that given the angle x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. So that x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree. This will be interchange, so that will be minus 110. So x is equal to, that will be 70 degree. This will be answer. Second part, that again same, we will write the sum of the angles of triangle and then we will write x plus 30 plus 90, that square sign is 90 degree, that is 180 degree, and then x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. This will be answer. Third part, that x plus 30 degree plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x plus at 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. So x is equal to, that will be 40 degree. Answer. And then other part, yes, see that fourth part also, because here some variation, that x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x plus x, 2x is equal to 180 degree. This will be go that side, that will be 50 minus. So x is equal to, by subtraction, that will be 130 degree upon, this will become in divide, that will be 2 6 are 12 and then 2 5 ja. So that will be x is equal to 65 degree. And then fifth part also, x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 3 times is x is here, so 3x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree upon 3 6 ja, that 60 degree. And then fifth part also, sixth part also, see that, because here is just variation, x plus 2x is equal, plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So that 1 plus 2 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree upon 3 3 ja 9, that is 30. So x is equal to 30 degree. And then second question, this also like these questions, here we will apply the exterior angle property and sum of angles of triangle property also. It means exercise 6.3 property and 6.4 property we will apply here. Question number 2 first, that we need to find first of all x. So 50 plus x is equal to, that will be 120, and then x is equal to 120 minus 50 degree. So that will be x is equal to 70 degree. Now sum of angles of triangle, that will be y plus 50 plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus sum of these 120. So that will be 60 degree. This one is answer and this one also answer. Here also same thing we will do, but diagram is given like this, just type of different. That 50 degree plus x is equal to 80 degree. So x is equal to 80 minus 50 degree. So x is equal to 30 degree. First answer. Then sum of angles of property, y plus 50 degree, that will be, see that no, that type of, we will see that here. First of all we will find the y angle because by vertical opposite angle. So by vertical opposite angle y is equal to 80 degree. Now sum of angles of triangle. So x plus 50 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So x is equal to, that will be 50 degree, right? This one answer and this one answer. Third will be x is equal to 50 plus 60 degree by exterior angle property. So x is equal to 110 degree. And then y is equal to, so that y plus 60 plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree by sum of angles of triangle property. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So y is equal to, that will be 70 degree. And then fourth part, that by vertically opposite angle x is equal to 60 degree. That is answer. So by sum of angles of triangle, y plus 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to that 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle property. So y is equal to 180 degree minus sum of these 90 degree. So y is equal to 90 degree. Answer. Fifth part, that first of all we will find the y angle. Y vertically opposite angle y is equal to 90 degree. Now x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree by sum of angles of triangle. So that will be 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 upon 2. So that will be 45. So x is equal to 45 degree. And then fifth part, sorry, fifth part I done. Sixth part, that x plus x is equal to, that will be 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. Similar thing, sum of angles of triangle property, that x is equal to 180 degree upon 3, 3 6 yeah. So that x is equal to 60 degree. That is answer. So by vertically opposite angle, by vertically opposite angle, that will be y is equal to x. So y is equal to, that is 60 degree. This is the also answer. Now 6.4 exercise 6.4. Question number 1. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following side? So first question, first part. If the sum of smaller two side is greater than third side, it means that will be 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. If the sum of smaller two side is greater than third side, it means that is a possible. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So that is 5 is equal to 5. Both are the same. So not possible. Not possible. And then it means if the sum of smaller two side is greater than third side, or you can take the any two side, in that case that will be possible. Second part, that 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and then 7 centimeter. So we have taken this one. Solution 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So that 9 is greater than 7. So possible. Third part you can do. Now question number 2. Take any point O in an interior of a triangle PQR. Is given the diagram, and then OP. So we will draw the diagram also, because some construction is here, that PQR, and that taken the O point here. And then first part, POP plus OQ is greater than PQ. So first of all we will join the OP and OQ. Yes, because that is a triangle. So that will become yes. Second, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. OQ, OR, it means this one also join, is greater than QR. Yes, because looking the triangle. Third part, that OR plus OP is greater than RP. That OR OP is greater than RP. Yes, because this is also triangle. And then third question, AM is a median of triangle ABC. Third question, you can see the diagram also. A, B, C, and this is the median M. It means these two lines are equal. BM is equal to CM. So is AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 AM. Yes, that will be yes. Yes, how it will be yes? We will see here. We will not do like this. we will see here how it will be. Yes, obviously you know that we are taking the two triangles and then 2 has come here. So if the other two side will be greater than 2, then that will be yes, because you are looking here greater. So yes is just sufficient. Fourth question, that ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral, that is, see the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means you know that which figure has 4 sides, A, B, C, D, and then diagonal also joined. So that solution, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Yes, that will be also yes, because this one triangle and this one triangle, how that will be yes. See that AB plus BC is greater than AC for triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is the first equation, and in triangle ADC, that CD plus DA is greater than now we will take that one triangle. This is the long process will be go. That will be long process will be go. So no need to write that one, because we are taking the two triangles and then two side is greater than this one, two side is greater than this one. So that will be yes. Fifth question, ABC is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral, that will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is smaller than that yes. That AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is smaller than 2 AC plus BD. That will be also yes, because you can see that a diagram. Here is a only one time, here is a two time. So that will be this one greater than this one. Sixth question. Solution. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 and 15 centimeter. Between what two number measure should be length of third side fall? So that first side is equal to 12, second side is equal to 15 centimeter. So third side will be the difference of that one 3. Third side between, here we will write third side between is equal to difference of that one 3 and sum of this one 27. It means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 up to 26 that can be possible. Okay.